Hi, I'm Lucky.
I'm Lonnie.
Today, we are catching a bus to school. Here we are at our bus stop.
How do we say school in Samoan?
Aonga. A-o-nga. Aonga. School. We're going to show you cool places we see on the way. It's our favorite part of the ride.
Bus is here! All aboard!
Good morning, Sione. Manuia le tae au, Sione.
Good morning, kids. And how is you two today?
Well, thank you. How are you?
How are you? Oa mai oe.
I am fine also, thank you. Manuia lava whawhetai.
Look, Lani. There's a pet store.
The animals in there are so cute! Look, Lucky, there's the markets.
We love going there. We go there every weekend to buy fresh food.
How do we say markets?
Makeki. Ma-ke-ki. Makeki. Markets.
Look, there's the local church. Our cousins go to that one every week because it's closer to their house. How do we say church?
Falelotu. Fa-le-lo-tu. Falelotu. Church. Look, there's the hospital.
That's the closest hospital to where we live. We can find the nurses and doctors inside. We are so lucky to have nurses and doctors that take care of us when we are sick. How do we say nurse and doctors?
Ole tausi. O-le-tau-si. Ole tausi. Nurse. And for mai. For mai. For mai. Doctor.
Look, there's the zoo. That's the zoo that grandmother took us to see the animals. We had so much fun that day.
Yes, we'd love to go back. But today is a school day, so we need to go to school. We are almost there.
The bus ride to the school is so much fun. And lots of places to see. Look! It's the beach! When we see the beach, that means we are getting close to school. Because the school is in front of the beach.
We love the beach. Summertime is the best for the beach. You can go there for a nice swim and build some amazing sandcastles.
How do we say beach in Samoan?
Matawhanga. Ma-ta-whanga. Matawhanga. Beach.
Yay! We're here! We've arrived at school. We are ready to get up and go to school and learn some new things from our teacher.
I can't wait to play with our school friends. Lani, don't forget your bag on the bus.
Thanks for reminding me, Lucky. I don't want to forget my bag on the bus because my books and my lunch is inside. Thanks, Sione.
Whaawhetai lava, Sione. Thanks, Sione.
That was the school bell.
We have to go now. See you soon.
Bye.